Welcome back to our channel, English Avenue. If your heart is heavy, if your mind keeps going back to the past, if you're tired of feeling like you're not moving forward, then this video is for you. Because sometimes it's not a person or the world that's holding us back. It's yesterday, a memory, a mistake, a regret, a heartbreak, a failure, a voice that whispers, "You're not good enough anymore." But listen, you don't live in the past. You live here. You live now. And from this moment, you have the power to start again. In this video, I will take you through 9 emotional, powerful, and life-changing lessons to help you heal from your past, rebuild your confidence, protect your energy, train your brain to move forward, and design a new life with peace, power, and purpose. This is not just another motivational video. This is a message from one broken soul to another telling you you can rise again. No matter what you've been through, no matter how much you've lost, you still have something the past doesn't have. Today, before we begin the first lesson, remember this: every word you hear today will not only heal your heart, but also improve your English. You'll learn new phrases, emotional expressions, and real-life sentences while understanding life deeply. So, if you want to grow in English and in life, make sure to subscribe right now. And let's start with our first lesson. Let go of yesterday. Lesson 1. Let go of yesterday. Let's begin with the hardest part, and we'll take you back again and again and again, unless you learn to break that loop. Letting go means you stop bleeding from a wound that no longer needs your attention. It means you don't scratch the scar anymore. You protect it. You let it become part of your story, not your identity. Letting go is not easy, and I want to be honest about that. We hold on to the past because it gave us comfort, even if it hurt. It gave us a sense of identity. I'm the one who was betrayed, or it gave us a story. I failed once, so I'm a failure forever. Sometimes we feel we're protecting the pain. If I let go, they win. Sometimes we're scared that without that pain, we are nothing. But listen to this carefully. You are not the pain. You are the person who survived it. Let me tell you a simple story. There was once a traveler who wanted to climb a high mountain. He carried a big backpack full of things: old letters, broken souvenirs, heavy rocks from his past. He thought he needed all of it, but the higher he went, the heavier it became. He started to slow down. He couldn't breathe. He almost gave up. Then a wise man saw him and said, "You're not tired because of the mountain. You're tired because of what you're carrying." The traveler cried. He started dropping one item after another. He let go of the rocks, the letters, the weight, and for the first time, he felt light. The mountain didn't change. He changed by letting go.